welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share with you a salad recipe. This is so nutritious and you can use it as a dinner for your weight loss. So here I am using the vegetables of apple, tomato, corn and cucumber. So I'm cutting the vegetables one by one. The apple I have into small pieces and also cucumber. I added some corn, it gives lot of taste. And later I'm adding the tomatoes. This is how I'm chopping the avocado into small pieces, and this gives more tasty. We have the soaked and cooked black eyed peas. This is our protein source for this salad. So and then I'm also adding some salt on it, and later I'm squeezing the lemon juice, fresh one. And we can also add some nuts here. So I have the nuts from the Costco, a blend of almonds, walnuts and all these things. So I'm adding them too for our salad. And also I'm adding the black pepper. So this is how we can add any kind of vegetables, and lemon with salt and pepper. So here I'm adding the nuts. So our healthy and tasty salad recipe is so ready. So you can eat it as a dinner for your weight loss. Thank you for watching.